From the PEP Radio Newsroom, this is a news blast for this hour. Qburgh is reporting that hepatitis C is a viral infection that attacks the liver. In many cases, hepatitis C does not have noticeable symptoms, so people may not know they have it until there is serious damage to the liver. Untreated, hepatitis C can cause cirrhosis or liver cancer. Fortunately, hepatitis C is curable with medication if a person gets a diagnosis. The Mayo Clinic suggests that all adults between the ages of 18 and 79 should be tested for hepatitis C at least once in their lifetimes. Dr. Sarah Macbeth, medical director for Allies for Health and Well-Being, concurs. Just like HIV, one-time Hep C testing is recommended for all adults 18 and older, she said. Macbeth added that people who are pregnant should get tested for Hep C as part of their prenatal care. For people who use injection drugs or men who have sex with men, Macbeth recommends annual testing. In the U.S., the leading risk factor for Hep C is injection drug use, said Macbeth. So the highest risk group is people who have used injection drugs in the past. IV drug users who are sharing needles should be tested more frequently than those who are not, added Anitra Branch, Director of Outreach and Education at Allies. If you're using clean needles, you're not exposed as much. Macbeth noted that worldwide, the leading cause of hepatitis C is through reusing needles in a healthcare setting. Health professionals can also be exposed to hepatitis C through needle sticks. We've had people come in for testing who have had accidental needle sticks, Branch said. Though it is not easily spread through bodily fluids, hepatitis C can also be passed through sexual activity. Hep C can be sexually transmitted, Macbeth said. It's much more likely for folks who engage in anal sex as opposed to other types of sexual activity, so our gay male population is most at risk for sexual transmission. If a person has symptoms of hepatitis C infection, they may experience jaundice or yellowing of the skin, fatigue, nausea, fever, and muscle aches. Some people are able to clear the infection without treatment, but if the virus is not cleared, symptoms of liver damage can show up years later. If a person is diagnosed with hepatitis C, Macbeth said that there are two common treatment options. It's generally either 8 or 12 weeks, and it's all oral medicine, she said. The 8-week regimen is 3 pills taken one time daily, and the 12-week medicine is 1 pill a day. These regimens are extremely well tolerated. The side effects are not something that make people stop treatment. Though the medication will cure a hepatitis C infection, there currently is no vaccine for Hep C, and medication does not give a person immunity. We do have treatment, but the treatment doesn't protect you from future infection, Macbeth said. If somebody who used injection drugs in the past gets through a treatment for Hep C and relapses and shares needles again, they could get reinfected. Unfortunately, we see that sometimes. Branch said that while the risk of hepatitis C is greater in people who use injection drugs, that risk is tied to a person's behavior. We give the identity of IV drug user as more at risk for Hep C, but it's more the sharing of needles, she said. If you're always using clean needles, your risk of Hep C related to that should theoretically be zero. Hepatitis C can be cured, but you can't get treated if you don't get tested. If you are an adult who has not been tested for hepatitis C, or if you believe you have been exposed to hepatitis C or have symptoms, talk to your healthcare provider about testing. Allies for Health and Well-Being offers testing and treatment for hepatitis C at its office at 5913 Penn Avenue in East Liberty. That's near Pittsburgh. You can also visit their outreach locations for free testing. Simply go to their website, alliespgh.org. Hepatitis C tests offer results in about 20 minutes. Each Sunday, staff from Prevention Point Pittsburgh are at Allies to offer services for people who use injection drugs. Testing from Allies staff is also available at that time. That's the News Blast for this hour. If you are watching our news videos on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel. You can now listen to PEP Radio via your Alexa device. Simply say, Alexa, play PEP Radio. Coming up next, we have the Meadville area weather forecast here on PEP Radio.